Have you ever plugged in your Echo speaker only to see a spinning orange light? This is not just a fancy effect, it's a signal indicating there's a network problem. Don't worry. In this video, we will teach you what the orange ring means and how to resolve it quickly. First, let's clarify what the orange ring means. It usually indicates that your Echo is either in setup mode or struggling to connect to your Wi-Fi. If you see this light, there's a simple way to get your device back online. To start, we will cover the setup process for your Echo device. Plug your speaker into a power outlet. Use the original power cable, as others may not supply enough power. Wait for the orange light to spin, then open the Alexa app. If you haven't downloaded it yet, grab it from your app store. Next, stay close to the speaker during setup. After opening the app, you might see a pop-up indicating that your Echo is ready for setup. If not, select Devices, then click the plus icon to add a device. Choose Amazon Echo and follow the prompts to configure your Wi-Fi. If you have recently changed your Wi-Fi network or router, your Echo device may need to reconnect. To do this, access the device settings in the Alexa app and select Wi-Fi Network. Reset your Echo by holding the action button, then enter your new Wi-Fi credentials. If the orange light persists, the problem might be with your internet connectivity. Sometimes your Wi-Fi may be working, but your internet service provider might be down. You can check this by unplugging your router for 60 seconds and plugging it back in. You should also check for outages by using cellular data to look up your ISP's status. If there's an outage, you'll need to wait until it's resolved. Even after trying these solutions, a weak signal from your router might still cause issues. In this case, you may want to consider upgrading your Wi-Fi hardware or reducing the number of connected devices. Now, let's summarize the key points. If you see the orange ring, first check the setup process, then review any changes to your Wi-Fi network, and finally, examine your internet connectivity. Take action today. If you still have questions, feel free to comment below to troubleshoot further. Don't let a simple orange ring hold you back. Get your Alexa device back to its blue glow. Remember, troubleshooting doesn't have to be overwhelming. Follow these steps and you'll be enjoying your smart home in no time.